Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's Steven at Lowcountry Paver. Today, we're super excited to share with you our top 3 products for a residential driveway. So I have some products on display today. We're gonna go through each one and we'll tell you what our favorites, but also what our contractors like and what our homeowners appreciate about each one of these products. So first up, we have our Plantation Paver. This is a 4x8, has a beveled edge. It's nice, clean, classic. You can lay this on a herringbone, so it's a very inviting look. So as you approach a driveway, if you put this on herringbone, beautiful entryway into the home. You know, it's just a timeless, very classic aesthetic. You can either do a gray base or a white base color to give it a more modern flair, or you can actually get this product tumbled, and when it's tumbled, it gives it a much more rustic look. Now moving on, our next product, our 3-piece Lowcountry Cobble. This is a pillow top product, so you see it's got the rounded edges, so it sits above the edge. So this is, you know, historically, when you think about pavers, this is the classic version as far as the Cobble goes. You know, this is again available in all of our colors. We see a lot of creativity with this because on a pattern front, you can lay this on a modified herringbone, or you can produce a modular pattern. And when you do the modular pattern, it looks more randomized. So you break up long lines and it can make your driveway look larger. Lastly, and my personal favorite, here we have our Hydrashed Tabby. So the reason I like the Hydrashed is twofold. One, it's permeable. So you see these spacer bars. So when you set this on an open grade base, you sweep 89 stone into the joint, you're not gonna have any standing water. You're not gonna have any stormwater runoff going over this product. It's all gonna drain through the joints and be stored underneath. Most importantly, this is a tabby finish. Tabby screams Lowcountry. So if you're living in the Lowcountry, if you're building a home in the Lowcountry, you need tabby. We are the only manufacturer that features commercial grade, vehicular grade tabby product. So that's one of the reasons that our Hydrashed Tabby, I'm talking about it today. We really love this product. We see a lot of it throughout our coastal communities. We see a lot of it on our commercial projects because again, it just emulates that Lowcountry look. And not only that, it's also great for the environment because it helps reduce water runoff. So all 3 of these products, I want to point out, if you really like the tabby finish, you can get them in all of them. And not only that, we have over 16 color options, so there's really no limit to any kind of color combination. If you want to pair the 3-piece and border it with the 4x8 Plantation Paver, we see that all the time and it's such a classic look. And you can actually do inlays with this 4x8 as well. Overall, these aren't our only options for a driveway, so if you're considering a paver driveway, come to the source. We are the manufacturer here locally. We have a full patio display. Feel free to call us 843-784-7104. We'd love to speak with you. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this content, please be sure to follow along. We'd love to connect with you on social media as well. We're always putting out new jobs that we've recently supplied, so be sure to follow along.